Good afternoon and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. How are you?
I am good. What about you?
I'm also
After a
good. So how?
after a long time.
Yes, very long time. I was just trying to remember you,
Yeah.
but now I recognize your face.
Yeah.
And are you also a YouTuber?
Yeah. I am a
Yes,
YouTuber.
I saw. Yes. So how did you think of becoming a YouTuber?
Actually, I didn't think about it earlier, but
Mm-hmm.
actually, I am taking sessions. So I was I just wanted to start my YouTube channel as I my profession is teacher. So
Mm-hmm.
I want to teach people, like if they learn from me. So I could say it is a good it is a kind of achievement.
And it's a good initiative because you'd be reaching to the larger audience,
Yeah, yeah,
and you would be helping people who just cannot go ahead and subscribe to these channels, and
yeah,
you will be able to help them.
yeah. So
Okay,
at the same time, if as I am learning something new from different tutors, so I want to share with them.
very good. So as you said that you've just started, and you must be getting a good response. So what exactly do you want to convey, or what exactly do you want to learn so that you can communicate further?
Yeah, so as I make some silly mistakes, and I don't want to give up. Like I want to learn in each passing days. So
Hmm.
I want to show this enthusiasm, you can say, and this energy. Like don't give up. We have,
Yes.
yeah. So
Continue your journey of learning, and keep
yeah, just keep
learning and
practice, just
yes,
keep learning and keep practice, and just you take up your skill to the next
to the
level.
next level. Yes, very
Yeah.
good. Okay, so Karuna, who uh, who is watching your video, or who is your audience, and how do they react to it? After
Actually,
you've started uploading, you must be getting the reviews, you must be getting the the
mhm.
suggestions and the feedbacks, and also how is it going?
So my YouTube channel is not that much growing because I
Mm-hmm.
am, yeah, I am not consistent, you can say.
Okay.
Just once in a while, once in a week I post my videos. And
Mm-hmm.
so but yeah, some YouTube some viewers, they are giving compliment, and sometimes if I make mistakes, so they just correct me. So that is a good thing. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I get ideas from them as well. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so in this way,
Good.
like I am also learning at the same time. I am
Yes,
also
of
learning.
course, of course. You learn a lot once you are on this platform. You
Yeah,
need to. That is why I asked you a very specific question. That you, if you go in a structured way, it would be good for you. Even you will be able to make certain concepts and everything very clear to your audience, so that it is helpful and they know how to start and how to go about it. That is
yeah.
why I asked you. With one concept, with one theme, you can go ahead.
Yeah. And here
Yes.
actually I make conversation with my friends, but I don't get the corrections part. So here
Hmm.
from different tutors, I get correction part. That is very
Important.
beneficial for, yeah,
Yes, it is
important
very
and
important.
beneficial. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes,
like
yes.
silly mistakes we all make in our daily life, in our day-to-day conversation. And like all those silly mistakes, how we can correct ourselves, how
Hmm.
we can learn from those
Hmm.
silly mistakes. So that I want to convey.
Good, good. All the best, and let's hope that your channel grows and you are able to reach to masses.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for
Yes,
your
yes.
blessings. Yeah.
No, it is always there, and continue your journey.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how are you,
Uh,
ma'am, after
I'm
a
good.
long time?
Yes,
Actually,
after a.
I am very swamped actually. Just like from past 2 or 3 months, I was busy, and as I told you earlier, maybe you remember, you can remember. Like I'm a
Mhm.
teacher, so
Yes.
yeah, I am teaching in CBSE school. So just now CBSE 10th and 12th board has been
Yes,
finished.
they had the part, but
Yeah.
are they going to have the same thing for 12th also? I thought that they are going to start only for the 10th standard.
No, no,
That
no.
is, okay.
Yeah, they like for 12th standard also they appeared this first term examinations,
Okay.
which was based on objective form.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
let me understand this, that 10th, I know that they are going to have it in two parts. The first part they already had just few days back, and the other rest would be in the month of March. And then both of them, I mean, both the numbers, they would just count it together and give the results. So same thing is going to happen for the 12th also.
no, ma'am. Yes, yes. For 12th also, they had same kind of exam pattern. That was, they attempted papers all in objective form,
Okay.
and in the second term they will attempt in subjective form,
Okay.
as per my
Knowledge.
information. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, as per
Okay.
my, yeah.
So
So
they'll have the board exam, but then what I heard was that they had to write the names also on the paper,
yeah,
on the answer sheets. They had to.
they appeared their all the exams in OMR sheets.
Yes, it was in the
Yeah.
OMR sheet, but they appeared in the school only. That is, their center was in the same school. Then the second was they had to write their names on the answer sheets.
No, ma'am, it was already printed,
It
only
was already
answers.
printed.
Yeah,
Okay.
they
Okay.
had to mark only options. If option A is correct, so they have to darken that
Okay. They had
option.
to do
And
that. Okay.
yeah, and they have to, at the same time, just beside the options, one box was there. They have to write the option there in the box.
They had to. They had to
They
write.
had to. Yeah, sorry, they
They
had
had to write.
to.
Okay.
Yeah, they had to.
Okay. And who will check the papers, or it would be done in the computer only?
No, at the same day, like evaluators corrected the paper, and the same, yeah, at the same day they just sealed all the answer sheet, and then they post, I guess they post, yeah, and the same day they upload marks as well in the computer system.
Okay. They uploaded the everything, and the children, they have got the results also.
No, children didn't get result, but they upload because I have done correction invigilation part as well as correction part, and yeah, so I know all these things.
Because someone told me that they were not very happy because children, they had to write the names, and there were many schools where little bit of I would say they were not very happy with this scenario where the teacher was there, the same teacher was there, the same teacher was going to check the papers and everything.
But ma'am, in my school, actually, if there is English paper, so English teachers, they didn't get the invigilation duty as well as the evaluation duty.
Okay.
They, yeah.
Then it's
So
fine. Then it's fine.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So it could be that some people must not have found this very attractive, this exam, but then other children are happy with it. They are enjoying, and they it would be half the workload would be half, because half of the exam has been given now and only half is left. So it would be okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So has the regular school started in your city?
Yes, ma'am. Regular city has started, but from 6th onwards, students are coming
Mm-hmm.
on and off. They are coming, like they have been divided into two parts. Like if there is 45 students, so like
22 will come one day and
22.
22 come will the other day.
Yeah,
Okay.
from 6th onwards, children are coming, but still we are taking online classes, but we are going to school and conducting classes from there.
Okay. And how is the situation of Omicron now?
Here
Have you started getting the new variant there also?
Yeah. No. Here I don't have idea, and like I haven't heard about this new variant, and still I didn't get any kind of news about
information.
it. Like,
okay.
Information, and from today onwards we are having days off for 11 days, like for Christmas and this New Year.
And it could be winter break also.
Winter break, yeah, you can say. We say winter vacation, but it is very short. Yeah.
Yes. But still you are getting it. Here in Gujarat and all, we don't have any winter vacations. Though we get the long vacation during Diwali, because that's an important festival. And winters here, we don't have any winters. So wherever the weather is quite cold, they have the vacation.
Yes. And on Diwali, we get only 2 days holidays.
Yeah, so here we have long 15 days.
Oh, okay. That's good.
And even the markets, everything is closed for 5 days at least. From the day of Diwali till we have our New Year, and after New Year, other 3-4 days, it's a complete lockdown here in Gujarat.
Oh, lockdown.
Okay. Lockdown in a sense that everything is closed. You don't have anything. People will go out, enjoy. They will not open their shops. They'll start their new business from, it is the auspicious day on the 5th day after Diwali. It's the auspicious day. So they start their new beginning from the 5th day.
Okay.
Yes.
That's nice.
Yes. Yeah. So Karuna, do you have any specific question? We still have time, but then just thought that if you have any specific question, you can ask. Otherwise, we can just go ahead.
Okay. So specific questions. No, like at this moment I am unable to recall. Like while having conversation, I have some kind of confusion, but when I came to like I have to ask, so I just forget. So from next time I will note.
Yes, always. Yeah, you jot down and you keep it ready, so that if you have any questions, you can ask them.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So can I ask you a few? What do we call science of living things? What do we call that? Science of living things. You would know. One word for science of living things. We study that subject. Biology.
Yeah, biology. Yeah.
Study of living things. Okay. Science of human minds.
Science of human minds. I don't
Psychology.
know. Psychology. Yeah. Like I know all these kinds of words, but I never thought that think about.
Okay. Then we have study that you are you a science student? Then you would know. Then I would ask you. Otherwise not. Are you a science student?
I have done my +2 with science stream, and then after, due to some circumstances, I have changed my subjects.
Okay. So, no, study of insects. That is little bit technical, so I don't know. Yeah, entomologist. It is entomologist. Yes, entomologist. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. We have another quiz sort of a thing. We have whenever we are in the kitchen, we have various I would say yes, the stages, or when we start our cooking, we have different things. So when we are making puris, what do we do?
Okay, so first we knead the dough.
Okay.
Yeah. First we knead the dough, and for kneading the dough we required the little bit oil. We require little bit oil and water, and if you want to include salt, then you can. Okay.
Okay, very
So
good.
we knead the dough. Then after we roll the chapati.
Roll the puris.
Roll the puris on the rolling board. On the rolling board.
Rolling board. Yes.
Yeah, rolling board. Yeah. And then first we heat up the oil, and
We
then
heat the
oil. Yeah. And we just put that puri into the oil. And after that we
take it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we can use for I am so sorry that I am using one Hindi word, chhanna, strain out.
Sieve, anything.
Yeah.
It is just the ladle with which you take it out. But the process is known as deep frying.
Yeah.
Deep frying.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just wanted to know the process. It is deep frying. And when you make something of cottage cheese, paneer, you generally have to put it in a gravy for a longer duration. What do you call that process? That is, you make whenever you have to make say what do you call the paneer, whenever you are going to roast it or whenever you are going to fry it, you generally marinate it. Marination. Have you heard about marination?
Yeah, marination, like before cooking you have to whatever spices you
put
have
that
to, and just leave them for some hours. That is called marination.
Marination. So you know marination. Okay. And any other process you know of, like what generally we use it? Saute your onions. Saute, you know saute? What is saute?
Saute.
Okay.
Saute,
then
stir fry.
Yes.
Saute or stir fry. Yeah.
Stir fry.
Stir fry. Yeah, stir
fry. And shallow frying.
Shallow
Do
frying.
You know shallow frying?
Yeah, shallow frying I know. Just
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine, good. And any sifting the flour, you know that?
Yeah.
Okay. Roasting the peanuts.
Roasting the peanuts. Yeah, I know.
Okay. Any other you can chopping, cutting.